So we're just in the middle of doing our final harvest. Phil found a lovely last butternut squash that he had forgotten. So we had 5 butternut squash in total this year. Real good sized ones. We've got 3 real good sized pumpkins. We're just walking over now to go and do the sweet potato harvest. Now, as you'll know from previous videos, we had kind of determined that sweet potatoes do not grow well in the UK, in Slough, in the UK, where we used to live. We tried several years and we just either did not have the right growing conditions or something. We just never were successful with it. So here we are walking over to the patch where we had the sweet potatoes, and we're going to check and see if there are any that have made it. So here you see, this is where we had our cucumbers. We've got one lone cucumber that's got to be picked.
We know that that is well and truly overripe, so we're going to pick this one off and see if we can get the seeds out of that. So I'm just going to take this one down now and we'll bring it indoors.
And we had some green beans. You can see there's a green bean there that's ready to be picked. We still have buds on the green beans, but these sweet potatoes, and so then there are sweet potatoes that were in the bottom, and who knows whether this was a success or not. We were just trying on the off chance, and so Phil now is going to work on seeing if there are any sweet potatoes under the earth. Yeah, we can do. Can you do it by yourself, or do you need my help?
I'll do my best. We're going to take out the cage now and see if we can get closer to what there may or may not be. We'll try to get the cage out, you never know.
I don't think we're going to get it out. I don't know, pretty deep, I think. I think you're going to have to dig around it. That thing was not falling out if there was a tornado or something. Holy cow.
Well, it turns out it's a lot deeper than I thought it was, and this ground, yeah, never mind. I've got a funny feeling there may be a whole load of roots in there as well. I'm going to say that rather than my own lack of strength. So let's just try and dig in between. Well,
there's
I did not expect that. Good little carrots. Yay. That should make a salad for free.
For free? 3?
Hamsters. As we haven't got much room, I'm going to take this out and into a bucket. Oh, there's something there. What's this? Ooh.
Oh.
There's something of a certain colour that I like to see. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Now, that is as big as everything else I had in the last 2 years combined. That is impressive.
So I guess you can grow sweet potatoes in the US.
This is the best I've ever done. The 3rd year. It's taken 3 years to get one sweet potato this size. So even if there's nothing else, I've done better than I had before. That is an improvement, believe it or not. There's definitely roots down there. Lots of roots of stuff, but might not all be from it, because we had our runner beans in here as well. And now we have acorns in here. I am hoping there's going to be more than just one. Oh, not much to it. Now that's more like an English sweet potato, but still not bad. Really could have done with a bit of extra space here. And what's more, that there, oh my gosh, that's actually the runner bean. It's a big old root. Not doing too well yet. More runner bean. Well, let's just move some of that in a bucket. Get it out of the way.
There's a red root there.
There is, but I think that's what I just detached. Oh,
No, I
maybe
think
not.
it's coming from over here.
Oh, that's just a...
Oh, there's one.
Another little one. Oops.
There we
Right,
go.
So this is not fantastic yet, mind you, but
They might all be on the
it is
sides.
an improvement so far.
That's an acorn.
Acorns, we're doing better with acorns than sweet potato so far.
How you doing? Getting anything?
One so far.
Quite small. It's so cold in this ground, it's not going to do anything more, I don't think. Oh, there's something else. We found another thing. Hey,
Tore up the
another one.
backyard here, Carol. Jesus criminy.
Oh, there's one.
Red.
Another one.
Nothing big yet though.
No.
Well, we
Yeah.
got in a little late too.
Oh, there was something, Phil.
Oh, almost missed it. It's so big. Oh.
Well, enough there for a meal.
Well, it's
I wonder how they're going to taste. They're a different color.
Beautiful soil.
Yeah.
I have a bucket behind me, in front of me. Sorry, I'm not just putting it on the ground.
I don't care. One way or the other.
I do because it'd be on my feet. All I know now is my hands are getting cold.
I don't doubt it. Oh, there's one.
Oh, that's an acorn.
No, down
Another
here.
acorn.
That's an acorn.
Is it down there? Oh, okay. I thought it was a.
Acorns. See, we've got more
The
acorns than we have
squirrels,
sweet
the
potatoes.
squirrels did that already.
Oh.
How deep do they usually go?
Well, I've not had much luck before, so I'm not 100% certain. But there's nothing in there. But we did put, I think, a couple on the side, so there might be more around it.
Well, why don't you just take this thing out of there?
Well, we tried, and
Sorry,
it
but
was
it's
too
rather- It
heavy.
was rather solid.
Oh, I guess so. I need to back.
That's why he was. That's why he was trying to take out some of the soil. Oh, there's
Another
another one.
A little bit better.
It's hiding down the side.
Well, all the stuff we had in there, I think it's doing pretty good. You know, we had a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see something else that's pink in there. I thought I saw something pink. Oh, I think I was. Oh no, I did see it. It was
Oh,
it's a leaf from a runner bean.
a bud from the runner bean.
What's that?
Acorn.
Another acorn. We should have sort of collected them. Elsa would have eaten them. She's got a thing for acorns at the moment.
Yeah, I know.
This way would be. Oh, there's something there. It's hidden. Oh my gosh, I like it. Another one.
Yay.
Yeah. Might have a meal there yet. They're a different kind too. I never seen them orange or red like that.
So red.
Yeah, we normally have them sort of orangey, don't we? I think ours.
Yeah.
But that's pretty close to the colour I was trying to go before.
You want to come over here and I'll switch places with you and.
That sounds like a plan. What I was trying to do is open this up so we can try and pull this thing out. Let's see if we can lift that.
Oh, God, that thing is solid as heck.
I'm not gonna
No,
tell you
there's
what.
no way.
Let's see if I can
Okay.
get in.
Oh, what do you reckon?
Oh, wow.
Couple of pink eggs. Oh wow,
That's a nice
That's the
Oh
best I've
my
had so
goodness
far.
gracious.
That's
I can't
nice.
even fit it in the... there we go.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a proper potato.
Wow, there you go.
Beautiful.
Let's put that around the rest. Got something else down here as well. There we are,
Lovely.
for you. Hopefully I don't give you anything. Yeah, so that's that side done.
Okay. Now don't go double counting.
Okay, so let's put these in the middle so they're out of the way.
Your trowel is down there too, if you need it.
Buried the trowel. A surprise for next year, I have a trowel.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this in here? We've got something in here or? Yeah,
There we go.
oh, it's another one.
At least they come out real nice and easy. Oh, that almost looks like a... That one almost looks like it was... it grew against
Yeah,
a wire.
It grew against the side, yeah.
It grew against the wire and misshaped. Maybe that's why it can't come out.
Yeah, there's a lot of roots around here, so it's...
Oh, there's
Oh.
another one. There's another plant completely.
Yeah, straight off the plant.
Well done.
With all the stuff that you had in here, I think you did pretty good yet.
Yeah,
I mean, you had a lot of stuff in there.
it was a good test for this year, I think. Give me a check. It's only little, but it's something.
We could start. Oh, there's
Oh.
another one. Another little one.
Another one.
Oh, there's another one. Phil,
Where?
there's another one
Oh.
right there.
You mean right in front of me?
Yeah, the big one there.
No.
That big one.
Now that is English size, definitely. It's the same size as the ones I was digging up before. Oh, what's this? Stick. But I'm sure there was something there, but yeah, there is.
Yeah, there's
Oh, there's another little fingerling.
Another one.
Yeah, that's what we'll call them, fingerling
Fingerlings.
potatoes.
Fingerlinging good. Yeah, they're not done.
We'll be able to dig through them. Oh, there was another nice one.
Another one.
Pretty nice one, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it. No, I keep saying that's it. I should keep saying that again and again.
Oh, well.
Another fingerling. I think we're there.
All right, well done.
So, there we are. Quite a few there already, so a lot more than I had last time. That's probably about 4 times the amount I had in 2 years. So I think you could probably make a meal out of that somehow.
Oh, yeah.
I suspect.
So, but oh, quite impressed with the size of that one though. That's quite impressive
Yeah.
for me. So it's the best part of the potato, jacket potato. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. I know that if we have a maybe a bigger space or just fewer things in, so we won't have the one of beans in with them next time, and maybe give the cucumbers, the market malls, a bit more of a chance to be on their own again maybe. We'll see what happens. So with that, I'll say goodbye, God bless. Bye bye.